Good afternoon, students. A lot of you had messaged me, sir, we are finally ready to start our test series, but your test series has started, we are not ready. Can you start in November? Late November. In general, we don't do that. This was not my plan, but on neetprep.com we listened to students and I thought it was a genuine request. I can personally tell you from my own experience, I was not comfortable writing mock tests when I was preparing for JEE. I got into IIT in my second attempt. I wrote around 5 mock tests. Some of my batchmates got into first attempt, got ranked 16 and ranked 26. I got ranked 1934 after dropping. So I thought if students are saying, now we are comfortable, we want to write mock tests now, we should give them an opportunity, and that is why we are starting Ascend 2.0. I will explain to you in this video how it is different from Ascend test series. There are minor changes, but it will give you the confidence that yes, now we have a clean path. We can start now. We have not missed any test and we are going to give the test with proper revision, do postmortem after the test and fix our weak areas. So let me explain to you. The brochure explaining Ascend Classroom Test Series 2.0 is given in the description of the video. Second thing is, if you want more details, want to talk to a person, any question you have, there is a Google form link in the video description. Fill it up, someone will call you and give you all the details. So first of all, it is starting on 17th November, but 17th November is online. First classroom test is going to be on 24th November. So you have time now. Make sure you get ready, make sure you get comfortable, make sure you detoxify your mind saying I'm going to keep postponing testing, because now around 6.5 months remain in NEET 2025. You can't postpone it any further. I hope this is clear. So I want promise from you, you're not going to postpone testing any further. 24th November, from that point onwards you would have 5.5 months remaining in NEET exam. Then you keep postponing it, you will find out your weak areas, but you will not have time to respond and fix those weak areas. So that is one. How is it different from Ascend 1.0? What is the logic of it? Let me explain the logic of it. So please understand this. So what we have done is, this is your Ascend Classroom Test Series. Class 11 test first, part 1, part 2, part 3, then part 4. And class 12, one test in between, part 1. And then part 2, part 3, part 4, then 11th, part 1, 2, half of 11th, half of 11th, half of 12th, half of 12th, and then full 12th, and these are all full syllabus. So what we have done is, we have taken out this test, right, and we have changed the date of this test to 12th January. Okay, and what we have done is we have taken this, okay, and we have changed the date of this thing to 24th November. So this is now your Ascend 2.0, right? And from this point onwards, I hope this is clear to you. The good part about it is, till this point of time, we are going to give you 2-week gap. So, very simple. Right now, we are telling you a month in advance. After that, you write one test, you get 2-week gap. Then one test, 2-week gap. And from this point onwards, from 5th January onwards, in the new year, it would become a weekly thing. So, all of this is perfectly planned. 1 month now, right? After that, 2-week gap. And then in New Year, 1 week gap. Perfect. So hopefully this thing is clear to you guys. It is very, very important. This testing is very well thought out. All the syllabus dates, PDF given in the description of the video. But you have to make sure that you stop postponing things. You stop postponing testing. Start writing now. All of these are full duration tests. Initially, this is going to be part syllabus. Then syllabus will keep on increasing, and then this is full syllabus. To give you the reason to join now, there is a surprise gift also. We are going to give you a surprise gift if you join now. Again, surprise gift if you join now. Festive season, and This is the best gift you can give to yourself. You take away your fear, you start writing tests. One Diwali is now, another Diwali is waiting after NEET exam. All depends on what you do now. If you're going to make this right choice, start testing now. Guys, I'm very, very clear about this. I am pushing our test series. I'm telling you, join it. You will say, sir, why are you pushing your product? Because I'm very, very confident that if you make this decision, this is going to be the best decision you will make. That is why I'm very clear. Take this decision now. One question students have, is there going to be a 2.0 Vital? No, there is not going to be any 2.0 Vital because Vital is already very fast paced. If you are in class 12th, this test series is good for you because anyways you have to manage your speed as per your board exams that are also coming up. Or if you are a dropper and your syllabus is going at a reasonably fast pace, this is good for you. We do not have the space to put in a Vital 2.0 like we have done in Ascent 2.0. But Ascent 2.0 for you guys is a fantastic opportunity. We will give you every reason to join now. Fill Google form in the description of the video. Make sure you put your mind now, make sure you commit yourself that yes, I'm not going to postpone testing any further. So hopefully guys, you're not going to miss this opportunity. We have 40 plus centers in 5 states in South India, in Andhra Pradesh, in Telangana, in Kerala, in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu. And I also want to tell you this test series is absolutely the best. We focus on neetprep.com on only MCQ practice and testing. That is why a lot of students study at all different kind of coaching centers, but definitely make sure that they write our mock tests, they practice our MCQs. 7,000 students have gotten into government medical colleges in last 5 years, practicing our MCQs, writing our mock tests. Rank 1, Shubhan Sen Gupta this year, 720 out of 720. Practiced 25,000 plus MCQs from our platform and wrote around 100 mock tests. This is your opportunity. The test series is very good. The only thing that needs to happen is you have to conquer your fear. You have to start writing tests now. And there is a great opportunity, guys. You are getting time. It is well paced. I want promise from you in the comment section of the video. You are going to start writing tests now. If you want details of Ascent 2.0, fill Google form in the video description and someone will call you and give you all the details. Alright students.